In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a credit card refund in QuickBooks Online. If a vendor credits your card for a return, a price adjustment, or a disputed charge, you'll record that refund so your credit card balance and expense reports stay accurate. I'll walk you through it from sign in to save and share a few tips along the way. First, head to the QuickBooks Online website. A quick search in your browser for QuickBooks Online will take you there. Click Sign In, then log in with your account. If you have more than one company, make sure you're in the correct company file before you proceed. From the dashboard, open the New menu. This is the plus icon that lets you create transactions. In the Vendors or Suppliers section, choose Credit Card Credit. This opens the form you'll use to record the refund. At the top, confirm the credit card account showing is the card that actually received the refund, and set the date to the date the credit appears on your statement. Now move to the Category Details area. In the Category field, pick the same expense or cost of goods account you used on the original purchase. Matching the original category keeps your reports consistent and reverses the expense correctly. In the description box, you can add helpful context, such as the vendor, the item returned, and any reference or authorization number, so anyone reviewing the transaction later knows exactly what it's for. Enter the refund amount next. Use a positive number. QuickBooks will treat it as a credit. If it's a partial refund, enter just the portion you received back. If you track tax on purchases, select the appropriate tax in the tax column. Use the same tax code you used on the original charge. If the refund didn't include tax, set the tax to none so you don't create a mismatch. After you've entered all the necessary information, take a moment to review the date, account, category, and amount. When everything looks right, click Save and Close. If QuickBooks asks you to confirm, click Yes to finalize. That's it. The refund is now recorded against your credit card. When the credit later downloads from your bank feed, open banking, find the transaction, and choose Match rather than Add to avoid duplication. You can also find this entry anytime by viewing the credit card register or running an expense by vendor report. Thanks for watching. Follow these steps each time you receive a credit card refund, and your books will reflect the credit accurately.